Exposure, experiences, and expectation. Obtaining, maintaining, and sustaining. Have you ever had a desire, goal, or an expectation of achieving a certain amount of income and thought the only way to attain it was by getting a college education, completing a specific trade school, or building your own business? Did you achieve your financial expectation and begin losing it due to an increase of a family obligation, economic inflation, or trying to manage life unforeseen financial calamities like the one many of us are experiencing during this current pandemic? If I can introduce you to a financial solution regardless of what's going on in the world or around the globe, where you can secure an income from the comfort of your home or while on travel, would you take some simple actions recommended below? If the answer is yes, before I give you those steps, let me introduce myself to you and give you some background on me. My name is Philip Newby. I'm a retired field grade Army officer and a retired Federal Service Civil Rights Director with several college degrees and years of training and educating people to improve and succeed in every aspect of their life. So those are my exposure and experiences. I'm understanding what you could eventually go through when it comes to obtaining and maintaining a lifetime of wealth. My ultimate goal here is to touch, move, and inspire people to improve in every aspect of their lives, regardless if they are a baby boomer or internet generation boomer, whether they are millenniums or a Generation X or Z. You see, every day in some way, you get up in the morning, traveling to a job, or completing your education, hoping to attain some form of income, only to find out it's never enough, or you lose what you had, and sometimes run out of options to support yourself. Have you spent time also waiting to receive your government financial stimulus check, but you feel like, I've been played when the checks are significantly delayed? Yet the majority of the other people survive economic hard times regardless what happens. Many of us have lifetime expectations, but never had or never will receive the combination of the education, exposure, and experiences to attain and to sustain those expectations for life and to successfully pass those skills on from one generation to the next until now. Here are the steps below. Just watch a 3-minute video and pay close attention to the fact you have a $6.6 billion per day financial opportunity to attain money without competition, no on-the-job supervision, never have to leave your home, and no financial glass ceiling. You also have the ability to make money 24 hours a day, globally. The ability to earn money daily, weekly, passive income, and active income. There are no student loans required, but you will receive impeccable educational presentation from top-notch professionals who earn and maintain that financial wealth doing the same things that they will teach you to do, making money and building generational wealth to pass skills and wealth on from generation to generation. You will also have the ability to have access to 24/7 of learning material and focused guidance on starting with the simplest techniques and the ability to move from the most advanced techniques when you are ready. You have several ways and opportunities to get free tuition or tuition reimbursement. You will also get a snapshot of how money is being made, an idea of how much money you can make, and types of people who are already making money now on a daily basis. You will get contact information on how to personally contact me to get more information and to answer your question. To do so, just click the link below and register for a one-on-one Zoom presentation with me. But last but not least, if you'll be so kind, please take some time to share, like, and to subscribe. Thank you.